It's been exactly 1 week since I started mining Wink. The question is, was it worth it and did I make any profits? Let's find out. Stay tuned. So exactly a week has passed. Was it worth mining Wink? Let's find out. Here I have the unMineable wallet open for my Wink coin, and I've generated and been paid out 110,000, and I've got another 1800 here. Let's just refresh that. Okay, it's 19. Okay, let's call it an even 2000. So I've got 112,000 Wink coins in 1 week paid out. Here are all my payments here on the right. And if we just go back just to show you the first time I started this, it was on the 25th of April, and today it's the 3rd of May. That's exactly 1 week. Now, if I were to check the price today, which I already have open here, Wincoin is at 1,129. So if we calculate that, and I know that here I was mining on the ET hash algorithm and was using 273 mega hash with my mixed mining rig. If you haven't seen that video, check it out in the description above or in the link below. And I was generating that at 900 watts. The cost per unit here is 13 cents. So I was doing 900 watts for 24 hours a day, which means I was doing 21.6 units per day. So 21.6 times 0.13 is 280, so 281 almost. So €2.81 times 7 days. It's around 1967, so that's an even 20 euros right there. So that I need to deduct after I calculate this. So if I generated 112,000 Wink coins, that would mean that here I have made 0.001128 times 112,000 equals €126.33 in a week before electricity, minus around 20 euros, and that brings me down to 106 euros. Pretty good for a week of mining Wink, I think. If we were to compare that, because Ethereum price now has also gone up, if in the past week I were to have mined Ethereum, let's compare that as well. So if I change the coin here and I just go to Ethereum, I know that I'm doing 273 mega hash. It's going to stay the same because it's going to be mining on the same ET hash algorithm anyway. I would be making 0.00737 ETH a day. Now, if we quickly check that price as well at the moment on Ethereum, it's at 2,576 euros. It has gone up quite a bit lately, so 2,571 now. If I calculate that, 2,571, and I would be doing that at 0.00737,018. Let's put it all in. Okay. I would be making around 1894 a day. If I do that times 7, that would mean 132.64 euros minus 20 euros for the electricity cost that we calculated earlier, and that would bring me to 112. So in this case, mining Ethereum would have been slightly more profitable, and it would have been slightly more profitable due to the fact that the price has recently gone up, and also apparently here on unMineable the difficulty level has slightly gone down, because last time I checked this it was 0.007 exactly. Now it's 7.3, and that does make a difference that little bit. And this is all based on if I were to sell this today, right now. And the values can go down, the values can go back up for the coins, so keep that in mind as well. I hope you found this useful. Thank you to all of those who have subscribed to my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and let me know what you think about this video in the comments down below. And if you are having any problems, let me know as well, and I'll do my best to help you out. Let me know what coins you're mining on unMineable as well. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, thanks for watching.